sources, not slogans, not distortion. No spin, every claim gets cross-checked, double-check, context, added facts in force.
Welcome to my channel. This is the Yellow Canary and my co-host Gertrude. So over here we're going to be doing a lot of information about what's going on in the world from the woman's perspective. Sometimes women in general, sometimes black women. It all just kind of depends. We may touch on some political things, but the basis and what I want you to know you'll always find over here is some kind of data and research, or at bare minimum referring to some type of article that had been put out regarding the topic that we're discussing. So I hope you grab your soda or your wine, depending on what we're talking about and depending on what you're needing, what your needs are. Maybe it might be coffee, but grab that, sit down, relax, learn some things, participate in the comments. I do have a TikTok channel where very often I go live about the very same things that I put my videos out about here. I'd like to try at the end of the video telling you when I'm going to go live about the topic that I'm discussing today. So if you've listened to some things and you want to be able to add your commentary and join in on the live discussion on it, you'll know when to go and where to go. But please make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And I hope to see you here and happy to hear you here.
On the Yellow Canary mind, yeah. We are going into the mind. Let's go. The Yellow Canary is gonna sing it. If the air is toxic, I'm singing. Say that. We are going into the mind. Where the rhetoric gets a man. Break it down. Breaking down the talking points. Line by line. Testing to take for granted. Check that. Misogyny repackage as debate. Same script. We log it. Trace it, annotate. Document. When the noise is loud and kind. We identify the pattern rate. Lock it. Welcome to Yellow Canary. Sources, not slogans, not distortion. No spin, every claim gets cross-checked, double-check, context, added facts in force. Locked in, expanding minds, expanding scope wider. What women know, what women see. Pay attention, information isn't neutral. Never was sashades possibility. Welcome to Yellow Canary mind. We are going into the mind. Step in, the Yellow Canary is gonna sing. If the air is toxic, I'm singing. Welcome to Yellow Canary mind. We are going into the mind. Step in, the Yellow Canary is gonna sing. If the air is toxic, I'm singing. Gertrude on the screen, signal clear. I Gertrude. First warning sings before the fear. Early. Track the language, track the impact. Track it. Show exactly what it does and who it moves. Mapped out. Welcome to Yellow Canary mind. Welcome. We are going into the mind. Know the way. The Yellow Canary is gonna sing loudly. If the air is toxic, I'm singing. Always. Welcome to Yellow Canary mind. Welcome. We are going into the mind. Know the way. The Yellow Canary is gonna sing loudly. If the air is toxic, I'm singing. Always. Welcome. Welcome to Yellow Canary mind. We are going into the mind. Welcome. All the way. The Yellow Canary is gonna sing loud. If the air is toxic, I'm singing. Always. Yellow Canary, we expand minds, expand. We document systems that we think called on record.